The fabric of human connection is woven by the intricate web of emotions, wants, and aspirations that make up the world of relationships. We discover a symphony of longings that frequently remain unsaid when it comes to the particular demands of males inside this complex setting. Let's explore the inner workings of the masculine heart and uncover 10 fundamental relationship needs that all men secretly yearn for. Get ready to set off on a path of self-discovery and understanding that will show you the way to a peaceful and truly fulfilling relationship. 10 things a man needs in a relationship. 1. Honor and acknowledgement. The foundations of identity. Imagine a foundation based on sincere acknowledgement and respect for one another. Similar to how a towering tree has strong roots to support its height, a man prospers when his value is recognized. Every man dreams of a spouse who will accept him for who he is and will not only see his strengths but also allow him to be himself, giving him the security he needs to be himself. 2. Emotional closeness. The protective zone of exposure. There is a need for emotional closeness underneath the strong exterior. Imagine a place of refuge where people embrace their vulnerabilities and boundaries crumble. Men require a confidant, someone who will listen to them and not pass judgment when they express their most private feelings. Establishing this sanctuary strengthens the relationship beyond appearances, producing an unshakable link. 3. Quality time. Foundations of community. Spending quality time together is the rich soil in a relationship's garden where love grows. Imagine the resonance of sincere chats, heartfelt laughs, and treasured moments. An intimate moment in which both partners are totally present and relish the depth of one another's company is what a guy longs for. 4. Physical attachment. The sign language of bonding. Imagine yourself in a symphony, a touch igniting a melodious dance of feelings. Men are at their happiest when they are physically touched, embraced, or engaged in intimate gestures. These actions express affection and strengthen a deep bond that words cannot express. 5. Encouragement of partnership. Increasing aspirations. Imagine two people riding a tandem bicycle together to achieve both their individual and common objectives. Men want for a confidant who would stand by them, no matter what, and who will never give up on their goals. A partner who has faith in their abilities acts as a spur for development and success. 6. Effective dialogue. Constructing bridges. Communication acts as a bridge to bridge emotional barriers in relationships. Imagine a bridge built on candid communication, attentive hearing, and empathy. Men want a spouse that is honest and creates a safe space for them to express their feelings, thoughts, and concerns. 7. Independence. Developing self-governance. Imagine a wide sky where each partner can fly free as an individual. Men appreciate independence, the ability to follow their own hobbies, and a quiet place to unwind. A partnership thrives when both partners respect each other's need for independence and encourage personal development in each other. 8. Common principles and objectives. A coordinated path. Imagine a map with two pathways intersecting and reaching common horizons. Men wish to be with someone who shares their long-term goals, values, and views. In addition to strengthening bonds, a relationship with well-aligned objectives and aspirations has direction and a sense of purpose. 9. Laughter and adventure. Happy wandering. Envision a canvas adorned with vivid hues of joy and exploration. Men are attracted to spouses who bring spontaneity and humor into their union. Embracing happy times and going on adventures together forges priceless memories and deepens the relationship. 10. Absolute acceptance. The love anchor. Imagine a harbor where the anchor of love remains steady despite the raging storms. Men require a companion who will love and accept them for who they are, imperfections and all. They can be themselves without worrying about being rejected because of this acceptance, which fosters a sense of comfort. Conclusion. Understanding a man's particular wants will help you make a connection that truly connects in the complex dance of partnerships. All men want to build a complicated mosaic with their spouse, and these 10 key relationship needs, from emotional closeness and respect to shared ideals and unconditional acceptance, paint a clear picture of what that looks like. A partnership can go beyond common boundaries and blossom into an amazing journey of love, fulfillment, and growth by accepting and fostering these needs. Come along for this insightful trip into the emotional needs of males in partnerships. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on more thought-provoking material. Remember to click the bell icon to ensure that you never miss a video. Let's investigate the complex field of psychology. Thank you for watching, and keep in mind that building lasting connections starts with understanding. Now subscribe.